Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Selenium Python. First, ensure Python version 3.8 or newer is installed on your system. Next, open your terminal or command prompt and install the Selenium library using pip. Simply type pip install Selenium. After that, download the specific WebDriver for your preferred browser, like Chrome or Firefox. Finally, place this WebDriver executable in a location included in your system's path for easy access. Now let's write a basic script. Begin by importing WebDriver from the Selenium library and choosing your browser such as Chrome. Then create an instance of your chosen WebDriver. For example, driver equals WebDriver, Chrome. To visit a web page, use the driver get method passing the URL as a string. Remember to call driver quit at the end to properly close the browser window and release resources. Finding elements on a web page is crucial for automation. You can locate elements by their unique ID using Find Element by ID. For elements with a name attribute, Find Element by Name is effective. For more complex selections, Find Element by XPath offers great flexibility. Once an element is found, you can interact with it. For instance, use send keys to type text or click to simulate a button press. To make your Selenium scripts more robust, consider a few advanced practices. Implement explicit waits to ensure elements are fully loaded before interacting with them, preventing common errors. Always handle exceptions, such as no such element exception, to make your scripts more resilient. Adopting the page object model significantly improves code organization and maintainability. Finally, explore headless browser execution for faster, more efficient, and resource-friendly automation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.